Max, come here. Follow me. In front of you. Okay, there's a big dude over here. Like, there's a big troll. I don't know where he is, but I saw him yesterday. No, he just throws you, and then you're dead. I don't think he even tries to kill you. He just does. Why are there so many chickens? Oh wait, you can hit him. He's up here, Max, he's up here. Max, where are you at? Yeah. Run, Max, run! Max, run! Pinch climb! It's really easy to pinch climb without stuff in your hands. Did he pick you up? Where are you at now? I don't see you. Oh. Okay. Why'd it turn black? Oh, Max. There's like big flashlights. They're super overpowered. Big flashlights are so overpowered. Bro, the red light, green light monster's over here. Oh no. Here, I'm gonna grab a flashlight. I'll grab a flashlight for us. And I'm gonna grab a bag. Where are you at? Oh, you're dead? Where are you at? Okay, let's go down the tunnel. And this thing over here. And then this thing is where you sell things. I'm over by the tunnel. Oh, Max. Also, go into the computer and press prog. Like, right here, press that. And then press made. Press made. Type in made. And then the made. And then the number 4 and yeah, and then the number 4 me. Because it gives you a research point. Did you get one? Did you? Here, follow me and we'll get some more. Oh wait, actually, where are you at? I got a thing. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Max. Go to the computer, press prog and type in happy space holidays. Yeah. Do I have the elf outfit equipped? I don't actually know how to equip it. Oh, I have to press spawn. Yippee! It's HOLIDAYS. Days. I wonder what's up here. There's like a little parkour thing that I'm doing. You sure? Yeah. Nope. I did it yesterday. It won't immediately equip it. Come here. And now go over here. And then come over here. And go to outfit. And then scroll to the... And then scroll and then you'll find it. Yeah, you have to scroll with the green all the way. And then right here. Oh, they must have got rid of it yesterday. Come on, let's go. Get some money. Also, when you sell stuff, it gives your money to the entire server. No, the entire server gets money. So then we both get money when we sell something. And you didn't. Yeah, I'm taking your dead corpse for myself. Round and we go. Do you remember where it is? Round and we go. Round and we go. Come on, let's go. I have the flashlight. Yeah, it doesn't go back. Yeah, there's no monsters up here. It's just in the hole. Nope. There's no monsters until we turn this corner. Red light, green light. I'm up here. I don't think, Max, I don't think it can kill you on this side. Yeah, if you're behind one of these, it can't kill you. If you're behind this stuff, that monster can't kill you. The red light, green light monster. Okay. Oh no. There's a bomb over here. Oh, did you touch it? Here, I'll... No, they don't get out of the way. They don't. Oh no, I killed myself. Oh wait, why'd I do that? Now my flashlight's down there. Whatever. Sin City wasn't it? Wait, let me see what's on top of this. I didn't even touch it. Bro. Oh wait, I can see the whole labyrinth when I die right there. Like, if you die and then look down, you can see the whole thing. Well, at least there's no mine anymore. Where you at? No, you're not. Unless I'm just too fast. Oh, I'm just too fast. Keep up on my track. Oh my. Oh. Oh my gosh, those chickens will never not scare me. Their eyes are just so creepy. There's my flashlight. Max, you have to wall climb over top. Like onto here. Well, I guess not even wall climb. Just like, here, just start right here and jump onto this little ledge. Have you seen my new video that I made of us playing? I uploaded the video of us playing yesterday. It's like 30 minutes long. Okay, come on. Already 6 people have watched it, which is crazy. Yeah, but it's super long. Max, if you see something that you want to bring back, just give it to me because I have a backpack. You have to get up here. Okay, good job. And then drop down and go underneath. Yay, we made it! And then watch out for the mimic up here. If there's any monkey that doesn't look like me, run. This is the way out of here. Okay. Umbrella. No, the monkey. Wait, you can die from that? Oh, I thought that was a flashbang bomb. It gives you a free flashlight. It gives you a free flashlight. No, it just looks like a normal monkey. I haven't got killed by it though. It's really easy to dodge too. Yeah. I think when you use a gadget, it refunds you for it. I looked for the flashlight. Where'd it go? Are we in the wrong hole? Nope, there's the chickens. Okay, we just have to go around the corner. Wait. Yeah, once we go around the corner, it's not dark. We can move as much as we want on this side. And no, once we get over here, you can't move. Bro, they have a Fortnite supply drop. I moved. I killed myself too. Should I just buy another flashlight? Oh, Max, you wanna go wall run with me? Here, come with me. We're gonna go explore. No. Yeah, I saw the landmine. Okay, there's a little area that I went to yesterday, and that's where I saw the code made for me. Aren't you dead? Where at? Where are you now? Pillars? Bro, there is no bridge. Just stop moving. It's by the dock. That's not a bridge, that's a dock. Max, come over here. Nah, come here. No, if you touch the water, you die. Just have to stay up and don't touch the trees because they're hollow. Or like, they're not actually there. You have to jump up here. I think you can climb this. Yeah, you can just climb this. And then climb that. And then you can get over here. Yeah, just do this. Get up here. And then do that again. Oh, you're cooked. Oh. They must have made it like that for the new update. Okay, just walk over here. Max, we can just walk over here then. Maybe with both of us. Whoa, what is that? We need to get up there. But yeah, Max, those little monkey cutouts, you can go back to spawn from in there. Those monkey cutouts. Hold up, Max, I'm gonna go check that out. You might not be able to do it, because your wall is really close to you or whatever. You might. Okay, just do that, and then climbing this is actually not easy. You have to like do a double thing. Oh, there's a barrier. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna touch the green thing. It's not there from the back. The green thing is not there from the back. There's nothing in those monkey cutouts. There's a little portal and a couch that has a little note on it that says made for me. Which gives you there's a noise when you hit it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna break. The swamp monster? Yeah. No, because if you went in the water before, you just immediately died. Okay, let's go back down into the tunnel. Bro, why? It's so easy. I'll grab a flashlight if you want. Do you want me to... Max, do you want me to give you a jetpack? Okay, but it's only one-time use. I'll tell you when to use it. Here you go. How do you even put stuff in the backpack? How do you take stuff out of the backpack? My flashlight. Oh, there it is. Hey, give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. Bro, why? No, then you'll lose your backpack. How much is your health at now? Okay, just kill yourself. I'll grab your backpack. Oh, okay, come on, let's go. Max, come on. Did you spell... Max, did you do happy holiday or happy holidays? Did you put in a space? Yeah. You have to press proj. You have to press proj first. Yeah, and then press happy holidays. Yes. It's happy space. Bro, did you spell it right? So you press this. H-O-L-I. H-O-L-I. Did you spell it the other way around? Bruh. And then this is the button to enter. Yeah, and then days. Oh, yes, you got it. Over here, over here. Right here. Yippee! And then go to outfit. And then scroll all the way over. And then press select. No, press select. Grab it and then press select. Just touch it and then hold down select. You have it equipped! Yeah! Yeah! It's just full red. Bruh.